Welcome back, everybody. This is Ozaria, Chapter 3, Module 2. The Rift is one big maze. Sure hope we get to the center soon. We're on... Oh, man, I started reading the wrong thing. I needed to tell you guys the level. So, Chapter 3, Module 2, the level is Long Step Stair. Let's get through this. We already read that to it. Let's see what we got to do. So, mouse distance is 1. He's going to need to have addition added to his for loop. And it looks like our hero is going to have the same issue, right? So let's set our hero distance. Our hero is going to go right one, up one, right one, up one, right one, up one. So that's fine. And then he needs to jump across the bridge at the end and stop there until mouse gets up. So let's do his loop first. So for open our parentheses. Remember the 3 parts, the variable we are going to use. So I equals 0. While I is less than 3, because that will go through 3 times. And oopsie, semicolon, not a colon. And I plus plus, or you know what? I'll show you guys the other way. Sometimes you'll see plus equals 1. And all that does is add 1 to it. It's the same thing. Plus is I find a little more shorter. Plus equals is good if you need to add numbers other than 1. So we're going to open our loop, and like we said, we're going to move right. And then move up. And then close that. So let's take a look at that. Because last level, I think I had a mistake. So jump right. And then let's get mouses started. So mouses will be the same loop because it looks like we got 1, 2, 3. So let's copy this code. All right, and mouse needs to he needs to move up and move right mouse distance. And I'll show you why we're doing this, because we already have established that mouse distance equals 1. We've done this a couple levels ago. So let's do right and make sure we grab mouse, move right. Nope, we want up. Mouse, move up. And then we want right. Mouse can move right. We need to make this mouse distance. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now, the first time through the loop, he's going to move right 1. But the second time 2, and the third time 3. So we need to add to it. Say mouse distance plus. This is my preferred shorthand. You can use plus equals. You can do mouse distance equals mouse distance plus 1. All of those are valid options. This is my preferred way. So now that's going to get the 1, 2, and then the 3. And if that works, our hero needs to move right 1 as well. So let's see if mouse can get through that. Yep. So mouse is getting his task complete. So let's set that. And while we wait for him, how many of you guys are excited about I don't know, the thing, you know, the thing that's happening that we were talking about earlier? All right, well, looks like he completed the task, so that is the Long Step Stair, Chapter 3, Module 2 of Ozaria for JavaScript.